welcome back to the channel, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe before we even get started here. Make sure you go down there and hit that notification bell. Hey, it'll help us in the long run. So guys, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to build something so we can fabricate some metal.
We can't finish working on that yet.
We can't do this until we build this so we can shape some metal. That's what. So today we're going to be building a homemade, I don't even know what you call it.
Big metal round pipe.
But it's big pipe, and you make a space between where you slide metal in and start forming it around it to start shaping your metal. It's a pretty cool way. I mean, it's cheaper than buying an English wheel right now. Plus, we don't have the space.
Space, because we would get one, but we don't have the space for one right now.
Yeah, we plan on getting one soon if we can get that back corner cleaned out. But still, it takes up a lot of space. So we're going to build this and get it going.
So let's get to work.
Alright guys, well here's the stuff we're going to use. We're going to use some of this steel.
Which had left over from a job.
Had it left over. And then we're going to use these brackets to mount to the walls. We don't want tables, so we can slide stuff under it. And we're going to mount these brackets to the wall using some lags so we know it's tough.
So we got our sockets here ready.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I like that.
I'll just do it like it.
Matco tools.
Matco, then you just go. Oh, I wish I was that good. But I'm not.
So we're going to get these mounted up on the wall.
Yeah, so we're going to find the studs. You know there's always a stud at a window. And you put this big old bad boy on here.
Thing's heavy duty still.
Should we put it about that high?
Yeah.
Maybe there's not one there. Maybe it's a little more over. There it is.
Yeah, you just went a little off, but... So we're going to mount the other one up and you'll see what we're going to do.
Hunter's over here getting prepared to do some work, boy. Isn't that sweet right there? Hunter hey, but we got something coming soon, don't we?
Something coming soon.
Probably.
Later in this video.
Yep, later in this video. But look, we got the brackets up right here. We're going to be getting these this all prepped. Hunter's going to prep it up for welding. And prep this up. We'll paint all this probably black, won't we, Hunter?
Yeah, I mean, we got tons of black paint, so might as well.
We'll paint it black. Just make our garage look better. So we're going to have some, this is going to be our fabricating side. Over here near air AC. So Hunter's going to use this with the disc. And he's going to get us good welding. I mean, I'd probably go from like here to back here. So we have all that area. Sparks are flying, means something's getting done, don't it? Yep. Here, where are these? And it's a good welding point. You want to wear these?
Yeah.
Here's what he needs so he can really see.
It says for grinding, but that light above.
I think it's kind of dim in here too. We need better lighting. Guys, we need a lighting sponsor. If anybody's willing. Safety first.
How's it coming?
It's coming. I'm learning. I burned a hole plumb through that thick steel.
Well,
Because I held it there. This is thinner than this, and I held it there.
And it's a hard weld, the
And
angle.
Yeah. I mean, but it's on there, son. Guys, we got a lot of practice to do. That's a hard weld right there. Like trying to go from this thick metal to this thinner, because I burnt right through right there.
Yeah.
The top piece, but it's biting good on the bottom.
I was struggling with it because my wire was feeding up underneath the pipe, and we had
You
it
gotta
too
sort of
fast
feel-
too.
Yeah, I had to set it the speed way too fast.
It's like I'd press and it'd just shoot underneath it.
So I had to slow it down. But we're doing this so we can do this right here. I just have this mocked up a little bit right there. Where you can slide your metal right there, and then you just
Be able to
start
bend
shaping-
it, shape it to what you want.
Shape it to what you want. That's why we're doing it, so we can fix these inner wheel wells.
Wheel wells.
And,
And shout out to Lincoln.
Shout out to Lincoln, yeah. And then this design, I don't know who I've seen this off of, but it's a pretty cool design. We can use this for anything then. Like if we've got little pieces we could weld.
Yeah.
We're probably going to get some flat steel to go back here on this plywood.
To protect the wood.
I don't really like that.
No.
But guys, that's our plan right there, guys. We could honestly make this a welding table out of it too.
So like this might be it for welding today.
Yeah, for today.
Because it's getting late.
and we had to air this out. I didn't
Ventilate.
ventilate it good in here, and it's kind of smoky. They said you should ventilate it
Next
good.
time we're gonna crack a window open and
And
everything.
put a fan blowing out.
Yeah.
But guys, that's fun. Something new. We get to build a tool for the garage that we'll be able to use for whatever we want to do.
And next time we'll be up here, we'll have a new item.
Yes. No, it's a need. We thought it was a want,
But it's a need.
The more we weld, the more we need.
Yeah.
So guys, it's not just a want. So don't think we're addicted to buying tools.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
See ya. All right, guys. Well, we've let this go a little too long. Look at this mess we got going on here. So me and Hunter's just going to take the time. We're going to clean up a little bit, try to get the shop straightened up so we can proceed on working in a clean environment.
And we got a surprise coming.
And we got another surprise coming. We're trying to do the best we can to build the shop we need.
Yep.
So let's get to it.
Man, it's dirty. It's all from that bumper.
That bumper and then the quarter.
All that dirt from over there, though, was from the bumper.
All this.
Yeah.
We got to get this battery charged and see if it...
There's a lot of maintenance stuff we've been needing to do.
This is number one because it's getting so bad you can't do nothing around here.
And I hate working in a dirty shop.
Yeah,
I mean, of course it's going to be dirty, but like, at least sweep the floor.
Yeah, at least get the stuff up that you need out of here.
Yeah.
Because we're going to make a dump run tomorrow that would empty the dump trailer from up here. So we'll get everything in it. Because look, that looks so much better.
It does.
Even though
So let's keep cleaning.
it's a garage. All right, guys. Well, we're excited to be back in here today because
We gotta get back to work.
we got to get back to work. So we got to finish up on our fabrication over here to our metal bending.
bender.
But we got a new thing to the channel. Now, this is an old box that we got here, but this thing has been in a corner of a championship racing. No joke. He
Yeah.
won a championship. He used this toolbox.
So we'll be cleaning up on
We're
it.
gonna clean it up, and that should
Be enough for now.
be enough for now. We're hoping. But we also added something else here, guys. We're excited too. Let's check this out. Our new welding helmet.
This was the necessity we was talking about.
Yeah, we had to get this. For one,
It looks
it's
cool.
But two, that thing is comfortable, and you can leave it up. And you have to really push it down to.
It's a lot better than the other one.
Yeah, it stays up, but
And
it come with gloves. I guess an extra lens and some batteries.
And then
the
chipping
hammer, magnet, the brush, soapstone,
so everything you need.
everything you need to weld. So guys, let's go over here and let's get welding. Hunter, how do you like that helmet there, buddy?
I
Pull
like
it down,
it.
let everybody see what it looks like. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Just stay right there. Look at that eyeball. That's what my eye looked like the other day. Exactly.
Look at the top.
I accidentally pulled the trigger and
you had your helmet
I had
up.
my helmet up on this bad boy. So we're about to get it. See the gap between it? So you can slide metal down in between it and bend
So
it.
we gotta get this welded up and try it out.
Yeah. Probably gotta turn it on. Man, that makes such a difference.
It makes it where you can see it.
I laid a bead, man.
Here, turn it off.
Oh my gosh, dude. Hunter, look at that.
What do you think of it?
This welder is sick, but I'm telling you what does it? The helmet.
The
we
helmet.
could not see. That's
No.
why we were struggling.
When I was doing mine, like I've never been able to really see, but when I was doing that, I could see the whole thing perfectly.
No, it's perfect. It's like looking like without glasses.
I know.
Or anything. Is it hurting us?
No, I see fine. It's made for that. That's what a high quality helmet gets you.
You can weld.
Yep. And you're dropping a bead for your first time. It
My
looks pretty
first
good.
bead ever. Because I've never been able to see.
So we're gonna keep welding.
All right. This is fun now.
Think about it. Tell us your thoughts on it.
All right.
Tell us your thoughts on it.
I think now I'm totally in love with this welder and this helmet.
I think we have enough confidence to start on the Nova.
No, I'm telling you, I'm thinking that we can weld a steel building now. No, but with some practice, I guarantee you, with a good helmet and a good welder, you can do some beautiful beads.
Yeah.
And, you know, I can't wear this welding because I'm not gonna fire. Because that sparks all
No,
over me.
sparks went in my shoe.
It didn't feel too good.
No.
But guys, now we have the setup, guys.
So we're gonna finish welding that up, but we showed enough of welding clips, so we'll show you once we're done with
Guys, so our review on the Lincoln welder is 10 out of 10.
it. And the helmet.
The helmet, 12 out of 10.
Yeah.
No, that helmet is sweet. So if you ever get a chance, guys, I know it's kind of, it's not too bad if you look at a lot of helmets.
It's a cheaper welding helmet compared to professional ones.
Yeah.
This was
but
$125.
$125, but hey, when you need good vision, because, okay, that one that Hunter has on
This
his
one
leg
right here,
now is
this Harbor
junk.
Freight is terrible.
I mean, it works for us videoing.
But
I mean, we could use it, but
it's terrible now we have that. Like, you
I mean, I will
realize.
never use it again.
You realize the difference.
So guys, let's get to it. Hunter, why is it so noisy in here?
So we got the fan getting out all the fumes and stuff.
See how cloudy it is in here? We forgot to vent it out, so we're getting rid of it right now.
But this thing right here is done.
So let's try it out, Hunter. See what you can do.
You may bend it in the middle.
Not in the middle. Bend it a little bit at a time so we can get the shape right inside there in the Nova. All right, let's see what you got there. Oh wow, that really works.
It does. That's pretty smooth down too.
Yeah. Man, who would have known? 2 pipes.
You just gotta apply equal pressure on each hand. 'Cause
Yeah.
I went a little less on one side and it went a little off, but I mean.
But we're just practicing.
And
You can
later
straighten
on-
it back up. On
Later
there.
on, we'll paint it and everything.
Yeah, paint it and put our logo on it. And,
So it's kind of rusted.
yeah. But guys, that is so cool. We love the welder. It's amazing. Hunter's already starting fabricating. We're getting this for the floor pans in the Nova, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
So, I mean, look at this boy doing some steel work. Look at that. That thing works, Hunter.
That's about the shape for me.
That is pretty cool, dude.
I just gotta work on keeping it
Equal,
straight,
yeah, keeping it equal. But, you know, that's why we have small scrap pieces to practice.
So when I start hitting on it, it wants to walk a little
Yeah,
bit.
we probably just need to just hold it tight. But, I mean, you're doing a great job at hammer and all that stuff and just work it. That's too cool, Hunter. Look at there, you made a sled.
There we go.
That's gonna look good black, ain't it, Hunter?
Oh, yeah. So if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
All right, see you later.